Alright, so we're working on this LS swap into a 350Z right now, and we're extending some of the coil pack wiring. So I got to do some soldering. And I got my son over here who's going to do the soldering for me. Yep, just keep melting that ball. Let it melt into the copper. Just keep doing that. Perfect like that. Yep. Keep pushing it into that ball. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. Alright. Now release it. Pull the iron away. Awesome. Awesome. Perfect. Oh, you're done. That's good.
Okay, now I have another side to do.
Check that out.
I have another side to do.
Done. High five, man.